This is a world-class tourism destination with uniquely outstanding culture and most beautiful beach town. Yet, under this grace of nature, there is a totally different way of life. In this tranquility of nature, feel the truth about life. World-class education institutions, advanced medical technology, safeguarding every family. Right in the center of the Naithon beach, enjoy 1.5 kilometers peaceful, semi-private beach. Experience coastal sunset with zero distance. See heaven. Embedded 1,000-meter-long floral coastal street, precious and glorious. Presented to you by Wyndham Hotels, Global Hotel and Property Management. Vibrant and transparent design of the entrance lobby. Feel the spacious, luxurious, and grace. The pool is blended into central architecture. Let go freely all your sensations. Generous central public pool matches perfectly with private glass pool of the villa. At nightfall, ring-shaped pool bar purposely designed for home parties. Feel the unique Thai flavor, offering holiday experience beyond your imagination. Residence designed with intelligence, blending natural elements into every detail of the architecture. Unique Thai-style architecture and garden surrounded by crystal clear swimming pools, creating a variety of aesthetics. Various size of room types ranging from 27 square meters to 80 square meters. Fulfill the needs to all kinds of families. Infinity rooftop pool overseeing the endless sea. Between the pool and greenery landscape with a mix of tea house, yoga center, and other nourishing places. Fully furnished turnkey standard. Eliminate unnecessary overseas travel. Delicate interior design is a demonstration to the details of daily life. Visual experience brought upon the oversized balcony rooftop garden. Amplifies the concept of comfortable living. Get away from the city hustle and embrace peaceful land. For you who truly understand life and love the nature. See heaven.